Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add your Linktree URL to your YouTube channel. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is my Linktree account. Now all I'm gonna do is simply copy my URL. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Once you've copied the URL, simply go to YouTube. Well, as you can see, I have gone to YouTube. At the top right, you will see a profile picture. Click on it, and this thing will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is click on View Your Channel. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, what you can do is simply customize your channel. The very first thing that you are gonna see is a button like this that says Customize Channel. Click on it right now. Then you'll be redirected to this page, that is YouTube Studio. Do note that you can also directly go to YouTube Studio, and from here simply scroll down and you will find the customization button. Now let's simply look at how to add the link. I'm just gonna scroll down, and right here you can see a button like this that is link, and just below it you can see a button like this called as add link. Click on it right now and paste the URL right here. Also do remember to enter the link title. Once you've entered the link, simply click outside and hit on publish. At the top right, you can see a button like this called as publish. Click on it right now. That is it guys. As you can see, our changes have been published. Now let's simply view our channel. Guys, as you can see, our Linktree URL has been added to our YouTube channel. This is it guys. This is how you add your Linktree URL to YouTube. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.